The function p is defined by p of x equals to a times x positive 7 the whole square negative b times x positive 7 the whole square negative c, where a, b and c are constants. In the xy plane, the graph of y equals to p of x passes through the points negative 12, 45 and 0, 256. What is the value of p of negative 2, positive p of negative 14? Okay, there is an information. The graph of this function passes through the points negative 12, 45 and 0, 256. So, and also we have the information y equals to p of x. That is, in the given function, this p of x represents y. So, from this point, we can understand when x equals to negative 12, the value of the function p of x is 45 because we have y equals to p of x. Okay, so we can write this point as p of negative 12 equals to 45. That is, when x equals to negative 12, the value of the given function is 45. That is the y coordinate. Okay, to get the value of p of negative 12, we have to plug in this negative 12 for x over here and here in the given function. Then we get a times negative 12 positive 7 the whole square negative b times the same thing. We have to plug in this negative 12 for x over here. Then we get negative 12 positive 7 the whole square negative c equals to 45. Okay, now let's do some simplification. Okay, negative 12 positive 7 is negative 5. That is negative 5 the whole square negative b times here the same thing. We get negative 5 the whole square negative c equals to 45. Okay, a times the evaluation of negative 5 the whole square is 25. That is 25 negative b times the same thing. We get 25 negative c equals to 45. Now, let's consider the other point. That is 0, 256. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 256. There is a value of the function p of x is 256 when x equals to 0. So, we can write this one as p of 0 equals to 256. Now, to get the stuff for p of 0, we have to plug in this 0 for x over here and here, the given function. Then we get a times 0 positive 7 the whole square negative b times 0 positive 7 the whole square negative c. On the right side we have 256. Okay, a times 0 positive 7 is just 7, that is 7 square negative b times the same thing here 7 square negative c equals to 256. Okay, a times the value of 7 square is 49. Then we get 49 negative b over here and here 49 negative c equals to 256. Okay, our aim is to get the value of this expression, that is p of negative 2 positive p of negative 14. Okay, let me write over here p of negative 2 positive p of negative 14 equals to. Now to get the stuff for p of negative 2, we have to plug in this negative 2 for x into the given function. Then we get a times negative 2 positive 7 the whole square negative b times negative 2 positive 7 the whole square negative c. Now we can take this positive sign as it is. To get the stuff for p of negative 14, the same thing, we have to plug in this negative 14 for x over here and here into the given function. Then we get a times negative 14 positive 7 the whole square negative b times negative 14 positive 7 the whole square negative c. Okay, here a times when I combine negative 2 and positive 7, I am getting 5. That is, we have 5 square over here. The value of 5 square is 25. Then we get 25 negative b times the same here. We get 25 for this one. Then we have 25 negative c positive a times when I combine negative 14 and positive 7, I am getting negative 7. That is, we get negative 7 the whole square. So its value is 49. Then we get 49 negative b and here we get 49 negative c. Already we got value for this expression. It's over here. Its value is 45. We can plug in 45 for this expression. Okay, let me continue over here. 45 positive. And also we got value for this expression as well. It's over here. Its value is 256. We can plug in 256 for this one. Okay, let me write over here. When I add 45 and 256, I am getting 301. Here I got the value of this expression. Its value is 301.